Scissor lift jacks are a popular tool used for lifting heavy loads, such as cars, trucks, and other vehicles. There are many products available to choose scissor lift jacks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best scissor lift jacks from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Extreme Max 5000 and 1.50 44 1100 pounds Motorcycle Scissors Jack. The Extreme Max 5000 and 1.50 44 Scissors Jack is a hand-operated lift that can extend up to 14 inches, has a 1,000 pounds weight capacity, and features durable rubber padding on the platform, making it safe and stable for lifting motorcycles. It has a heavy-duty steel frame that ensures its durability, and it's easy to use with just a 7/8-inch socket or wrench. This product is perfect for those in need of a reliable and efficient motorcycle lift. Number 2. Scissor Jack for Car 2-ton 4,409 pounds capacity compact lift jack. The AV Steel Scissor Jack is a powerful tool designed for lifting vehicles up to 2 tons, 4,409 pounds. With a lifting range from 4.375 inches to 16.5 inches, it offers great flexibility for various vehicles, making it easy for you to perform tire changes. Its robust construction from drop-forged alloyed steel ensures durability, so you can rely on it for long-term use. The innovative ratchet system significantly reduces the effort needed to lift your vehicle, making the process smoother and less strenuous. Additionally, its compact design allows for easy storage in your car or RV, ensuring you have it on hand whenever needed. Number 3. Vever Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift Jack. Vever Motorcycle Lift Jack is a reliable hydraulic lift with a weight capacity of 1,500 pounds, suitable for various types of motorcycles. The hydraulic operation with a long handle and pedal makes lifting effortless. It features a safety pin for height security, non-slip platform, and ratchet belts for stability during maintenance. With universal and directional casters, you can easily maneuver the lift. Made of durable steel, rust-resistant, and coated for longevity, this lift is perfect for your garage or repair shop. Number 4. Car Jack Kit Scissor Jack. The Gurjanon Car Jack Kit is designed for your convenience in emergencies. With a lifting capacity of 2 tons, you can easily raise vehicles from low sedans to high SUVs, making it versatile for all types of cars. The kit includes everything you need for a tire change, such as a scissor jack, lug wrench, and gloves, all neatly packed in a storage bag. Constructed from durable materials, this kit can withstand tough conditions, ensuring reliability when you need it most. Its user-friendly design means you can change a tire quickly and efficiently, providing peace of mind during roadside emergencies. Number 5. Car Jack Kit Scissor Jack for Car 2-ton 4,400 pounds Tire Jack Toolkit. The AMV Scissor Jack Kit is a versatile tool for any vehicle owner. With a maximum lifting weight of 1.5 ton, it can effortlessly lift your vehicle from 4.13 to 15.15 inches using a smart ratchet system, requiring 90% less effort. The adjustable lug wrench also reduces effort by 90% when removing lug nuts. In case of a flat tire emergency, this kit ensures a quick and easy tire change without needing additional tools. Universally designed to fit various vehicle types, this kit is a convenient and reliable choice for all drivers.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.